AI influencers are trending everywhere. People are creating AI influencer Instagram pages and making money from them. Those who know how to create them are charging hundreds of dollars. I shared a free method before and you guys loved it. But if you want to earn money with it, you need to use an affordable platform that gives you commercial rights so you can use these AI influencers anywhere without worrying about copyright issues. In this video, I will answer all of your questions from the previous video, how to change clothes and poses, what to do if you have your own audio, and much more. I will teach you everything step by step. So let's get started. Now head over to Loomflow AI. The link is available in the description. Click on Get Started. First, we have to create our AI influencer. So click on Image Generator. Then set it to text to image and select Nano Banana Pro. Now go to Pinterest and download any image you like. We just need it for reference. Upload the image to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed prompt for that image. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt. Simply copy it and paste it here. Then scroll down, select the 3:4 ratio. Set the image quality to 4K and click on Create. And just like that, we have our AI influencer. To change the outfit, head over to Pinterest again and download an image with the outfit you want to try on your AI influencer. Now go back to Loomflow, select Image to Image and choose Nano Banana Pro. If you face an error while uploading the image, don't worry. Go to Image Resizer. Upload the image there, click on Resize Image and download it. Now upload the resized image again. This time it should upload perfectly. Then add the outfit image we downloaded from Pinterest. Scroll down and paste this prompt. Select the 3:4 ratio and 2K quality. Then click on Create and we get this amazing result. That's how you can try different outfits on your AI influencer. Now it's time to try different poses. Again, head over to Pinterest and download an image with the pose you like. Then upload the model image here and the pose image we downloaded from Pinterest. Write this prompt, keep the same aspect ratio and quality, and click on Create. Just look at the result. That's how you can try different poses. Now to animate your AI influencer, click on Image to Video. In Models, select Seedance 2 for ultra-realistic visuals. Upload the image as the first frame and paste this prompt. You can modify the prompt according to your video. All the prompts are available in the description. Select the 3:4 aspect ratio, set the video duration to 10 seconds and click on Create.
Hi, this is Ella. Check my outfit. I'm really loving this jacket. And what do you think about my hair? It's my new color.
This is amazing. Now let's try motion control. Head over to Pinterest again and download any video you want to copy the motion from. Copy the video link, paste it here and click on Download. Now go to Frame Extractor, upload the video, set the frame number to 1 because we only want the first frame and click on Extract. Download the extracted frame. Then in Image Generator, select Nano Banana Pro and upload both images like this. Paste this prompt, set the size and resolution and click on Create. And we get this image. Everything is the same, but the AI model is ours. Now click on Mimic, upload the image we just created, upload the video we downloaded from Pinterest and click on Create. And here you go. The movements are so good. Now what if you want to use an existing audio? Click on Lip Sync, upload the AI influencer image here, add the audio you have and click on Create.
Hi guys, this is Ella. I just wanted to hop on here and show you my outfit today. I'm honestly really loving this jacket. It's so comfy and gives such a cool vibe. I feel like it pulls the whole look together.
So that's how you can create your own AI influencer using Loomflow AI. Their plans are very affordable, so give it a try. The link is available in the description.